Now we have our ocean up. Let's give it a little color. As we can see here, we've got it all blurred out and it's looking pretty good. So let's make this blue. So let's come up here and let's go to Image, Adjustments, and let's go down to Hue Saturation. That's always a fun one. My favorite. Let's hit Colorize. Now let's give this a little blue color. Or you can give it any color you want to. It is your planet. It is your imagination. So, make it how you want it to. Like I said, I want this to be a little living Earth type planet. So I'm going to go ahead and go with a little blue here. This looks pretty good here. Let's bring our saturation. Actually, I kind of like the way it was. Lighten this up a little bit. There we go. Actually, let's take it back down. Let's take this back down to 0. I liked it better there. And our saturation like so. That looks pretty good to me. Go ahead and hit OK. And there we have it. We already have the blue of our ocean ready. Now, you know what? It's time to make some land. So to make some land, let's go ahead and give us another little layer here. Up under our Planet 1 layer palette here. Let's go ahead and name this one. Let's name this one Land. There we go. Now, before we get into that, we're going to stop here. We'll pick this up in the next part.